Hello everyone, I'm Shirley from Gonsin. It is my honor to introduce Gonsin 20,000 Series Economic Paperless Congress System to you. The series is an economical, flexible, and practical paperless conference system which is very suitable for the meetings have paperless needs, but the budget is not at present, or for the client who will consider to extend this function in the future. There are two models for the discussion terminal. One is the tabletop mounting. The other one is the flush mounted on the table and the chair armrest. Now, let me introduce the advantages for this system. Firstly, the system adopts module design which can meet the client's different needs. By adding the extended terminal, can achieve the multi-medium paperless function. At the same time, the terminal can extend handheld routing function through the USB interface. With the module design, the single module can be upgraded and maintained independently in the future. The system meets the individualized functional requirement for the different meetings and made the meeting organization become very flexible. Secondly, the system adopts distributed power supply, simplify the engineering solution, reduce the cost and the time. The intelligent partition management can achieve the independent control and the maintenance for each area. It is very simple and ensure the meeting hall can hold meetings with different scan and requirement. Finally, the extended terminal can start registration, routing, evaluation, and grading function. Also can display and manage the document. Achieve the simultaneous interpretation, channel selection, and the cross-service function. With the strong functions of this system, can make the meeting become very easy and effective. Using the electronic documents can meet the challenge of energy conservation and environment protection. This is the end for this talk. Thank you. Now, let's look at the structure of the system. Gonsin 20,000 Series Economic Paperless Congress System is composed of the Congress server, the discussion terminal, the handheld routing terminal, and the other supporting device. Customer can choose according to their needs. Now, let's look at the main part of the system. The Congress server with stable and high-speed performance. The server can connect up to 45 terminals. By connecting the power hub to the server, can set up a large system of up to 4,096 terminals. The server comes with the LCD panel and the navigation buttons. It can support both Chinese and English. It will show the speaking mode and the system status. The user can set and manage the terminals. With the built-in module for the treble and bass compensation can achieve the perfect sound quality. It will support up to 32 channels for the interpretation. The discussion terminal have two types. One is the tabletop terminal DCS 2021. The other model is the terminal DCS 2057. The 2021 have the registration, discussion, and the automatic camera checking function. The upgraded model, it can support both discussion and the interpretation function. It will support up to 32 channels for the interpretation. The terminal uses the pluggable microphone term. The mic ring will emulate it when active the mic. The terminal uses the all-in-one touch button panel, which will improve the customer's operation experience. With the built-in USB interface, can achieve the handheld routing function. The users can hear the discussion through the built-in speaker or use the headset. The system has the voice control function. The voice sensitivity can be adjusted. The terminal can extend the paperless function by adding the paperless extended terminals. Now, let's take a look at the terminal DCS 2057. This model with metal shelled material with high texture and durable use. The flush mount installation design is suitable for mounted on table or on the chair armrest. The flexible function module combination can meet the different conference needs. It can support the dual or single channel selection module. It can support up to 32 channels for interpretation. The system's volume and the sensitivity can be addressed separately or intensively. This model also can extend the paperless function by adding the paperless extended terminal. Now, let's look at the extended paperless terminal. There are two sizes for option, the 8-inch and the 10-inch. It includes the chairman and delegate terminals, the core service terminal, and the management terminal. The chairman terminal can start the registration. It supports the press button and insert IC card registration. It also can start the routing, evaluation, and the grading function. It can set the interpretation channels and also can share the conference documents. The user can call for service on the terminal, and the request will be showed on the call service terminal. The staff will offer the relevant service according to the information. The management terminal can set the speaking mode and the speaking people number, set the volume, and set the online terminals. Now, let's take a look at the extended handheld routing terminal. It is simple and fashion designed. It can connect it to the discussion terminal through the USB interface. It can use after resetting the system. It has waterproof and dustproof design. The LED light can indicate the status of routing. The handheld design made the usage become very convenient and safe. This is the end for this talk. If you need more information, welcome to visit www.gonsin.com. Thank you for your time and attention.